Hello, ladies. If you missed the last video, here's the quick recap. I shared why we had to discontinue the Happy Hoo Hoo suppositories and how that challenge pushed me to create something even better for you. The new Happy Hoo Hoo has the same trusted bioidentical hormones you rely on, but now with no leakage, no mess, no scent, and you can use it day or night. It's easier to use, more comfortable, and gives you 2 to 3 times more applications than the original. Today, I want to show you how easy it is to use the bottle and applicator and how to find the perfect amount for you. Two important features of this video. Each bottle comes with 2 reusable applicators. They're made of a firm plastic and a rounded tip and wash easily with warm water and just a little soap. Here's how it works. Here's the bottle. You remove the cap from the bottle. You place the applicator directly onto the port that's at the top of the bottle. Just press it down, it pops on easily. Then you twist the bottom of the bottle, and each twist gives you a click. So listen out for the click. Each click delivers a very specific measured amount of cream into the applicator. I'm going to do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then simply take the applicator off and insert it into the hoo-hoo, just like a tampon. Press the plunger and your bioidentical hormones in this luxurious cream will be applied. Now, you're wondering, how much should I use? I recommend starting just like that with 4 clicks once daily for 2 to 4 weeks, depending on how dry you are. As your tissues become healthier and more comfortable, most women naturally find they need less, often 2 to 3 clicks instead of 4. And after that initial period, a common maintenance routine is 2 to 3 clicks, 2 to 3 times per week. But remember, this is your body. You can always increase or decrease the amount or frequency based on how you feel. Listen to your body. It will tell you what it needs. Each bottle contains over 136 clicks, which means that once you're using 3 clicks 3 times a week, your bottle will last just over 3 months. You may notice a tiny bit of cream at the tip of your bottle when you remove the applicator. That's normal. Simply wipe it off and apply it externally to the vulva for extra moisture and comfort. I'll tell you a secret. You can also apply it right here where the crow's feet are. This cream is soft, soothing, luxurious, never greasy, and completely scent-free. It's available without prescription, made in a kosher CGM certified facility, never tested on animals, and every batch is third-party tested for purity and accuracy. I am so happy to finally have this ready for you. I've loved using the new Happy Hoo Hoo, and I know you will too. Thanks a lot. Talk with you soon. Bye-bye.